Hey guys, in today's video, I'm going to tell you how to enable Apple Intelligence on your iPhone. Let me just tell you one thing that Apple Intelligence can only be used on 15 Pro, 15 Pro Max, and on 16 series. Other than these, you cannot use Apple Intelligence on any of the iPhones. Okay, let's begin. To use Apple Intelligence, you must ensure two things. First one is make sure that you're using iOS 18.1. To check that, go to your settings, then go to general and then go to about. Here you can see the iOS version. If it's 18.1 or newer, you can definitely use Apple Intelligence. Okay, so the next thing is go back to your settings and click on Apple Intelligence and Siri. So here, if your language is English United Kingdom, so change it to English United States as Apple Intelligence only supports US region right now. So if you're using it for the first time, you won't be able to see this toggle button. In fact, you can see an option turn on Apple Intelligence. Then you have to go through a sequence of steps until it's activated. Once it's activated, you can turn on the toggle button. As you will turn it on, the Siri 2.0 will be enabled. Now, if you want the Siri to respond on your voice, then you can click on Talk to Siri option, and here you can select Hey Siri, Siri, whatever option, and then you can use with Apple Intelligence. I hope you like the video. Please share and subscribe.